Hello viewers, welcome back in our MS Park YouTube channel. As you know that the high voltage match between Pakistan and India is being played in Dubai International Stadium today. The cricket fans of both countries are excited and enthusiastic and they want to see their heroes in action. Let's have a look at the history of cricket between the two countries.
Good shot this. He's gone with the angle.
Oh, inside edge. Lucky way to start the innings. Pull shot. That's nicely played. Enough wood on it to get him a 4. Oh, that's gone. Up and...
The high voltage match between arch rivals India and Pakistan will start today in Dubai International Stadium. Really, Dubai has become an epicenter of world sports. Cricket fans and officials are overexcited and describing the Super 12 match of both sides, a war between the two countries. Indeed, Pakistan and India will add another chapter in their age when old rivalry face each other in a Super 12 match of T20 World Cup on Sunday. Both teams, led by charismatic leaders in person of Indian captain Virat Kohli and Pakistan captain Babar Azam. Both captains have tremendous and excellent batting records in international cricket. The two sides have played a total 199 matches. Pakistan have won 86 matches compared to India 70 victories. In Test and One Day International, Pakistan has won more matches than India. Pakistan and India face each other in 132 One Day International. Pakistan won 73 matches while India got victory in 55 matches. Similarly, in Test cricket, arch rivals have met each other in 59 matches. Pakistan won 12 matches and India won 9 matches while 38 Test matches have ended in draw. People of Pakistan are hopeful about Pakistan's victory in this historical match. Let's take a look at the memorable moments in the matches of all three formats between India and Pakistan.
Well, here's a glance at the 6 for 14 you took there in 1984-85.
And it is going to be Imran from the pavilion end to face him, Ravi Shastri. And there's the first delivery with a deafening roar of approval of this packed stadium. There's an appeal for LBW and he's out! The first ball and sensations here at the Sharjah cricket ground. Imran traps Shastri, LBW, and this crowd here erupts. Sirikant facing Imran. That's up in the air, he could be gone out, and yes, he's gone. The short pitch delivery and Sirikant, a very tentative shot, and he's out, caught at square leg, and just look at the Pakistan half of the supporters. There's an appeal for a catch behind and he's gone. Imran has struck again. Vengsarkar caught behind and India have lost their third wicket. And
the last over starting, Imran facing. That's a big hit, it's a 6. Into the pavilion. Magnificent shot by Imran. 180 and the crowd on their feet again. What a tremendous flourish to this shot. And the game now really...
The chants go up as Sasi falls to Binny. Binny is out, his LBW, Pakistan has won. What a tremendous win for Pakistan, and look at them, delighted, running to the pavilion, and Pakistan has finally done it. They have won the test match here at Bangalore, their supporters going
shot there from Mohinder. The ball well outside the off stump. There's an appeal for LBW and he's out. Yes, that ball came in. Mohinder going forward and he's out LBW. And Imran has struck again. The Eagle